Hey everyone, welcome back. We have this Air-Roma brand car perfume. So let's check it out. This one is 60 ml product with a MRP of 599 and we got it from Amazon with 45% discount at 329 only. And there are total 4 fragrance options. Ours is black musk fragrance. Inside the box we have this car perfume spray bottle and this hanging tag. So you just need to hang this tag in your car and give 1 or 2 spray. That's it. With this one bottle you can get up to 400 spray, and the car perfume fragrance is amazing. The smell is quite soothing. It doesn't hit your head. You can use this on your car carpet, fabric, and it doesn't leave any stain. However, do not use it on leather seat, plastic or painted surface. Anyways, you have a hanging option also. It contains anti-odor absorbent which completely eliminate humidity, food and tobacco smell from your car. And the fragrance is masculine, woody. There is only one problem, that the fragrance will last only 2-3 hours and then you need to spray again. Overall, the perfume, the spray, everything is good. It's definitely worth trying. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.